Have you had back pain or sciatica in the past 30 days? Have you tried many treatments already without much success? How much do you want to get back to your normal work and life? If you are in pain, then I have something I want to invite you to. It's the Back Pain and Sciatica workshop that I am hosting on behalf of Pain-Free Physiotherapy and Allied Health. Hi, my name is Rick Chen. I would like to share with you what you are going to learn at the Back Pain and Sciatica workshop. First, you will understand 3 very common mistakes that back pain and sciatica sufferers make that lead them into unnecessary medication, injection, or surgery. Often these mistakes come from incorrect diagnosis by the doctors or false beliefs by the general public. Second, you will understand why so many treatments do not produce results, why MRI or X-ray often do not show the real cause, and how we can ensure consistent results by approaching differently. Third, you will witness live demonstration that may produce dramatic results within 5 minutes right in front of your eyes. So click on the button on this page and register for the Back Pain and Sciatica workshop. I will see you there.